See, this is chapter number 12. Now we will discuss here topic number 12.5.3, nomenclature of organic compound having functional group. Nomenclature of organic compound having functional group. So functional group as defined earlier is an atom or group of atom, is an atom or group of atom bonded together in unique manner, which is usually the site of chemical reactivity in an organic molecule. Compound having the same functional group undergo similar reaction. Clear? So this is definition of functional group. So functional group as defined earlier, is an atom or group of atom, bonded together in a unique manner, which is usually the site of chemical reactivity in an organic molecule. The compound having the same functional group undergo similar reaction. Same functional group, here we can say that similar reaction. For example, see, this is alcohol. So this one is alcohol, methanol, ethanol, and then after see here 2-propanol is there. Here 2-propanol, all having OH functional group, liberate hydrogen. This will liberate hydrogen on reaction with sodium. अरे इसका मतलब क्या है? जैसे मैं अल्कोहल लूं, तो जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ अल्कोहल विल बी ROH. जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ अल्कोहल, सी, so this one is ROH, and then after sodium, so whenever reaction will start, here means RO, Na, and then after hydrogen will be liberated out. So with the help of this chemical reaction, we can say that here liberation of hydrogen is possible with the help of sodium. And due to this reason, here we can say that alcohol is acidic in nature. Clear? ये तो सिर्फ अल्कोहल है ना? देखो, valency of sodium is 1 and valency of hydrogen is 1, and you know here hydrogen, lithium, sodium, so they are member of same group. Here replacement of hydrogen is possible. Clear? And just like alcohol, here means so many different functional groups are there, which is given in table 12.4. So this will be given in table 12.4. Now, first of all, the functional group present in the molecule is identified, which determine the choice of appropriate suffix. So first of all, the functional group present in the molecule is identified, which determine the choice of appropriate suffix. The longest chain, here what is happening, the longest chain of carbon atom containing the functional group is numbered in such a way that the functional group is attached at the carbon atom possessing lowest possible number of chain. Again I am repeating. First of all, the functional group present in the molecule is identified, which determine the choice of appropriate suffix. The longest chain of carbon atom containing the functional group is numbered in such a way that the functional group is attached at the carbon atom possessing lowest possible number in chain. Lowest possible number in chain. See, if any organic compound will be given, then your numbering will start in such a way that carbon related with respect to functional group, it should consist least number of hydrocarbon chain. Clear? For example, जैसे देखो यहाँ पे मैंने अभी लिया, this is CC, चलो ये COH है 1 1, hydrogen. Clear? So here hydrocarbon chain is there. So according to rule 1, how many carbon? See, here we can say that number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. है ना, रेड वाला देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So according to rule 1, 5 carbon. So here pent will come. Rule 2, single carbon, N will come. Rule 3, functional group. Here we can say that general formula is ROH. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं अल्कोहल. And here all will come. Alcohol. यहाँ देखो this one is alcohol, all is there. उसके बाद numbering. तो numbering में कैसा आ जाएगा? Here we can say that red numbering. So red one is correct and green one is wrong. So what is name? Here name will be 1 pentanol, or we can write down pen1ol. So this is, we can say that correct, correct writing of naming of any compound which is related with respect to alcohol as a functional group. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Alcohol as a functional group. Clear? Suppose in any compound, चलो ये तो mono substituted compound है, but suppose in any organic compound, if more than 2 functional groups are there, more than 2 but same functional group, जैसे ये OH है और ये OH है, यहाँ पे H H H H and then after H. अब नंबरिंग में जहां से राइट है वही बताना. देखो 1 2 3 4. Here C. Here hydroxide is again 2 time. यहाँ क्या लिखने का? 1 2. Here 1 2 dihydroxy. 1 2 dihydroxy, and here we can say that butane will come. 1 2 dihydroxy, butane will come. If in another situation, if your organic compound is related with respect to more than one same functional group, then here we have to specify how many times this functional group will come. If 2 times, then use di. 3 times, then use tri. In case of 4 times, utilize here we can say that tetra. Clear? चलो अब थर्ड सिचुएशन, सपोज सी, here we can say that OH है ना. If in case of organic compound, in case of any organic compound, here 2 different type of functional group will come. If 2 different type of functional group will come, if 2 different type of functional group will come, then numbering will start in such a way that functional group which is more powerful, it will be again this come first, and then after second functional group will come. Here how many carbon? Here we can say that 1 2 3 4 5, green numbering, and then after here we can say that 1 2 3 4 5, red one, green, and then after we can say red one. अब देखो कौन सा नंबरिंग राइट है? Here OH is more powerful as compared to NH2. So here numbering will start in such a way that carbon related with respect to OH functional group should consist least number of hydrocarbon chain. तब देखो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे कैसे? C. तो here 2 अमीनो, 2 नंबर पे NH2 2 अमीनो, 1 pentanol is there. 2 amino, 1 pentanol is there. Clear? So how we can find out which functional group is powerful and which one is not? Here one series is given, and series of functional group related with respect to reactivity, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रायोरिटी सीरीज. Here first of all carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid, ester, acyl chloride, amide, cyanide, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, amine, alkene and alkyne will come. So this is decreasing order of priority. Carboxylic, sulfonic, ester, acyl chloride, amide, cyanide, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, amine, alkene and alkyne is there. Clear? The R C6H5X NO2 and OR इसको बोलते हैं alkoxy are always prefix. This will be always, we can say that prefix substituents. So this is, we can say that prefix. Actually see, whenever we are writing here means naming, then here prefix and suffix are two important things. Prefix and suffix, so two important thing is there. So you have to remember this priority series of functional group. Clear? So now here in our organic chemistry, so different type of functional groups are there. देखो जैसे ये है, तो this is, we can say that H. ये क्या है? H. इसका नाम है मीथेन. मीथेन से H गया, H गया. So here we can say that methyl will come. This one is methyl. So this is highly reactive. So reactivity is more, stability is less. Here reactivity is less and stability is more. So now to become stable, here new thing will come, and that is nothing but we can say that functional group. जैसे फंक्शनल ग्रुप की यदि मैं बात करूं, H है, H है, H, और यहाँ पे कोई भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप लो, सपोज मैंने OH ले लिया, OH, हियर नेम विल बी मीथेनॉल. क्लियर? अब हियर स्टेबिलिटी विल बी मोर. अब देखो इसका क्या है, फिजिकल स्टेट, तो दिस विल बी स्टेट इज लिक्विड, while this one is again we can say that gaseous state. मतलब मीथेन, physical state of methane is gas, while in case of methanol, here we can say that liquid will be there. Here we can say that liquid will be there. In this way, we can say that functional group is the group with the help of which we can find out different type of physical states of matter. Different types of physical states of matter. Here, what is meaning of alkyl? तो alkyl का मतलब ये होता है, see, in case of alkyl, तो 1H, YL, 1H is less as compared to parent molecule, as compared to parent molecule. So this one is parent, this one is again we can say that parent. Clear? और सिंपल इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, अल्काइल. अल्काइल इज रिप्रेजेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ R, while एराइल इज रिप्रेजेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ AR. अब जैसे बेंजीन है, दिस वन इज बेंजीन, तो इसमें से सी बेंजीन, तो हियर C6H6 विल कम. क्लियर? एक हाइड्रोजन हटा दो, C6H5, तो इसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं फिनाइल. तो दिस वन इज नथिंग बट इट इज नॉर्मली नोन एज फिनाइल. देख फिर से क्या हुआ, 1H इज लेस, YL मतलब 1H इज लेस here. Clear? So now on the basis of this, here we will find out different type of functional group. So these type of different type of functional groups are here number 1. See, for example, class of compound alkane, functional group structure चलेगा IUPAC prefix. So this one is IUPAC prefix, and here we can say that suffix. यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है, but in case of alkane, N will come. Alkene में double bond ene will come. Alkyne में triple bond Y and E will be there. And this one is arene. Arene मतलब benzene. और ये जो फैमिली है, इसको बोलते हैं हाइड्रोकार्बन फैमिली. Clear? So this family is normally known as hydrocarbon family. Now on the basis of bond between two carbon, so see Here double and triple bond will be there. ये इसको बोलते हैं unsaturated hydrocarbon. But between two carbon, if single bond is there, between two carbon, if single bond is there, so this one is normally known as alkane. This one is nothing but it is normally known as alkane. So that is saturated hydrocarbon. This is normally known as saturated. So reactivity of unsaturated hydrocarbon is more. Reactivity of unsaturated hydrocarbon is more. So due to presence of double and triple bond. Clear? चलो अब आता है halide. तो halide is represented with the help of X. Here F, Cl, Br, I. इसी को हेलो बोलते हैं. तो फ्लोराइड से क्या आया? फ्लोरो. इधर फ्लोरो, क्लोरो, ब्रोमो, आयोडो. ये हुई फैमिली में आता है हेलोजन फैमिली. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज O1 फैमिली विल कम. O1 इधर क्या आ जाएगा? अल्कोहल. इधर क्या आ जाता है? ईथर. और यहाँ क्या आ जाता है? फिनॉल. तो अल्कोहल का जनरल फॉर्मूला है ROH, ether, and here AROH will be there. Clear? Alcohol, ether and phenol. In case of alcohol, all word will come, and here oxy will come, and this one is phenol. तो देखो OH alcohol का ROH है, prefix is hydroxy and suffix is all. Similarly ether ROR, तो alkoxy, here nothing is required. इसको बोलते हैं O1 family. It means in O1 family three functional groups are there, है ना? फिनॉल अभी नहीं, ये दूसरा पार्ट है हाइड्रोकार्बन का. क्लियर हुआ? Similarly, this is O1 family. Then after we will discuss here O2 family. Then after we will discuss here O2 family. In case of O2 family, here means mainly first of all aldehyde, then after ketone, and then after carboxylic acid will come. The general formula of aldehyde is RCOH, ketone is RCOR, carboxylic acid is ROH. General formula of aldehyde is RCHO, ketone is RCOR, carboxylic acid. So here all will come, here one will come, and here OIC acid will come. तो aldehyde का फॉर्मूला CHO, इसमें प्रीफिक्स में फॉर्मिल और ऑक्सो विल कम, सफिक्स में आल इज देयर, कीटोन में CO इज देयर, ऑक्सो 1 इज देयर, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में ये आया कार्बोक्सी, ओइक एसिड विल बी देयर, और ये फैमिली का नाम है O2. तो दिस इज नॉर्मली नोन एज O2 family. Now in complete periodic table only carboxylic acid is there, which is related with respect to derivative also. Here derivative of carboxylic acid. In case of derivative of carboxylic acid, if we are replacing out H with the help of COR, here what will happen? RCO, R. Similarly RCO, COR. इधर ये OH गया, तो here X, NH2, RCOX, RCONH2. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एस्टर. This one is anhydride. This one is acyl halide, और इसको बोलते हैं amide. In this way, in case of carboxylic acid, 4 different type of functional group will come. Clear? 4 different type of functional group will come. आपको एक बार क्या करना है? हाइड्रोजन को डिस्प्लेस करना है, और दूसरी बार क्या करना है? OH को डिस्प्लेस करना है. मतलब whenever we are displacing out H as well as OH, here means 4 different type of functional group will come. इस तरह से बोलो तो O2 में देखो ये 10 और ये 4 और आ गए, है ना? उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वन, तो नेक्स्ट आता है नाइट्रोजन फैमिली. इन केस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन फैमिली, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अमाइन RNH2 है ना, उसके बाद अमीनो एंड अमाइन इज देयर, नाइट्रो में NO2 नाइट्रो इज देयर, क्लियर, समझ में आया कि नहीं। एंड देन लास्ट वन इज सल्फोनिक एसिड, तो सल्फोनिक एसिड का फॉर्मूला है SO3H, sulfo and sulfonic acid will be there. In this way, whenever we are discussing naming, so you have to remember this complete table, and on the basis of table we can explain here this naming very easily. तो आपको प्रायोरिटी सीरीज आना चाहिए और दूसरा क्या आना चाहिए, दिस 17। देखो how many total functional groups are there, ये 11 है, उसके बाद देखो इधर पे आपका ये 12 आया और ये 13, सल्फोनिक एसिड कितना हो गया 13, तो दिस इज 13 एंड देन आफ्टर सी हियर एस्टर वन इज 14, 15, 16 and 17। इन दिस वे टोटल 17 फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स आर देयर, तो आपको सबका फॉर्मूला वगैरह आना चाहिए, ठीक है, प्रायोरिटी सीरीज और ये पूरा टेबल है ना।